Hi everyone, Redrix here. Welcome to yet another video and welcome to yet another unboxing. I think this is my 4th unboxing video related to games, and by now you already seen the thumbnail and read the title maybe, but this is a new gamer keyboard for my PC. So as you know, if you've seen my video that I got a new PC, I've been playing a lot of PC lately. Been playing a lot of Apex on PC instead of PS4. I must admit, getting my very first PC, and I'm used to have a Mac. It's a whole new world, and so on. So let's try this new keyboard out, right? I'm so excited, I just got it today, and man, I needed a new keyboard because what I got right there is not that good. I mean, it's okay for gaming, but when you're typing anything or you're chatting with friends, it's horrible keys, man. So this is, I'm not too sure about what the exact name of this series is. It will be in the title and in the description, and I will see the freaking name of this keyboard as soon as I get this package open. So how's your day been going so far while I am taking all the time and your precious time to open? Hey, woo! So this is it. Woo! It's actually the same brand as what I've got right now, but from the sound of this keyboard and the reviews I've seen on YouTube, it should be much better. So, wow. Let's pose for the thumbnail, right? This is what you're seeing right now. Yeah. Hold on. Here we have it, you guys. It's actually much smaller than what I've got right now. I'll do a transition later on, but look at this. Listen to this. Yeah. I always one of those noisy keyboards. They seem to be much more better than what I've got. But let's plug this one on, and I will show you guys how my old one looks like. All right? Oh, hold on. So when you purchase this keyboard, you actually get one of these for your wrists, and these are actually something you can just click on. I'm not gonna use this one for now, but yeah, considering buying this, it's actually pretty cheap right now at coolshop.dk. It's like, what is it, over 60% off. Alright, so coming over to this desktop, this is my keyboard right now. It's very wide, and the depth of the keyboard is big. So this is the old setup, and the old one and the new setup comes here. There we have it, you guys. Man, that looks dope. I don't know what you think about it, but I actually like it. Like for now, I don't have the time to test it out to play some games, but it says here that you can just press on FN and then F9, and then it'll do some different patterns of the coloring. Let me turn off the light here. Alright, you see that? And then let's do one more. Look at that! Look at that, you guys. You wanted to... Oh, this is probably gonna be my favorite one. So FN and then F9, and then you'll change the pattern or whatever you want to make. But yeah, this is basically it, you guys. So this is my new setup for now. I'll do a, hold on, let me do like this. Hopefully it'll be focused. Turn on the light here. like that. So this is basically what I've got right now, and I'll do a game room tour, like an update version 2. I already did one, so if you haven't watched that already, I highly recommend you watching it before I do the version 2 of my updated gaming room. I've also got a new... Oh, no, I'm not gonna show you that. I think I already showed in a past video, but not yet. But this is basically it. I just wanna do a video about my unboxing for my new gaming keyboard. So what should I do about this, guys? Should I give it away? Should I do something crazy with this? Let me know down in the comments below, you guys. So if you want to see me game some or stream some games in the near future, I always say this in each and every video because I want to interact with you guys, to talk with you guys and everything. I want you guys to interact with me as well, live on Twitch. So my name is here on Twitch, or just follow the link in the description box down below, and I'll see you in the next stream or even in the next video. So for now, I'll see you again next time. Bye!